Do we try the 4 of them every time? No.
Yeah.
Topping inside prawn and pork. Too much. Okay, fine, thanks. A little bit round. Okay.
Don't worry.
I won't say it. Everything is dry. That's the dry one. Okay, you put half pea carrot. So you do like this. How many people you can share work together?
Something here we leave it here.
We got anchovy, fish sauce, lamb, garlic, and chili. It's one food.
I'm knocking down.
This is the top and tail you cut, you make the stand. Roll and roll. You put into take garlic. And you now garlic and the flour, decoration for salad. Only half spoon you put on the mango. You mix it up. Whitney, you go and taste. Are you making unique Here we got the steak pot. Yeah, before you make it unique, wash the packet. You put in the center and just now you try it. Not yet. Now you make it in the hot water first. One side, not in the center. This is the organic vegetable village. Or cheese. What is that?
With the vegetable, everything. Part was to the rice sheet. That was difficult to keep it very thin, and you know, to really not too thick. If it's not thick, you cannot roll it properly. And after what we did, we start with the cold salad first. We start with the cold salad first to make sure that we follow the sequences. You start with cold, and after you have to enjoy all of this hot. So we make this after hot, because in the normal tempo we will have to cook it cold first and hot after.
Okay, cooking counter. Follow the steps. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, really. Buy the book. Okay. Thank you. Which one? Which team?
Get shit done.
Okay. No. Look at them and share.
So we actually start by the salad and the spring rolls, because there was some step need to also cooling down and actually prepare, so some slicing and stuff like that. And we get a quite strong team. That's why we can do two things together.
Wow!
And then we finish by actually the boiling stuff, yes, the noodles, because they need to be hot to serve to the customer.
So which one is the most difficult part?
And the most difficult part was to remember all the instructions on how head chefs they are. That was the most difficult. So we also start by what we remember these two stuff.
Okay, so thank you, idea. The first one, prepare everything for 2 dishes. Only one. Okay. Smart work.
The most difficult part was to integrate the multicultural palette of the and actually we didn't follow by the book. We started with the cold one. At the same time, we had a brainstorm session, and we actually all together cooked at the same time. So we were helping each other with the different skill sets.
But they didn't follow the same. It's not the same as the chef. They didn't follow the same as the chef.
That's the decision from the chef. Decision from the chef.
We follow the chef.
Okay, no, but the most important strategy was to replicate the chef creation and actually add some of our personality and do it better. That's what we did.
They are the ring checker.
He is very
Out of the comfort zone. Okay, out of the box.
The most difficult and challenging part was the rice paper roll. So yeah, just the right consistency. But we started with the garnishing and the salad press. In terms of the hot food, yeah, we just worked ourselves way through from the salad rolls to the noodles. Yeah, but great team effort. Everyone was, doing sharing the workload and putting their skills to best use.
Yeah, and I have to add that what's very difficult for us is very difficult to find motivation when there is no competition.
Don't cry.
Specification of your dish.
$1 million for you. We can look.
For noodle, this one the best in decoration.
Appearance may be deceiving.
The second one you can throw it.
Look at the butterflies. Like how
No,
much?
but it's true. It's very
Minus points. Minus points. Spring roll this.
in terms of decoration. Get it done. Get it done. And we did it.
And for the salad.
So where is
This one is the best.
No. Wait. So listen carefully, and I need you to keep quiet during this decision. The first one on for team leader will be blindfolded, and you're gonna taste one of them and tell which one the best. Okay? So you are not allowed to know which one to try. So this is the decision from your taste, your heart. Okay? Not emotion.
Will we try the 4 of them every time? No.
Yeah. No. Okay, follow your tongue, your taste, and your heart. Don't listen to your ear. We don't know which one we take from the table, right? Okay, your team member, give some water. Yes. Only one vote. 1, 2, 3. How about you?
Number 3.
Number 3. No, tell the truth. Tell the truth.
That's the truth.
All the flavor. Balance, yeah.
Okay. Hey, ready?
Remember to eat with your hands.
Now we start. We start with number 1. Number 2.
You can throw up.
Remember number 3.
The second and the fourth sour.
Too sour. Very important because the chef sharing. Whenever they have the big party, they have to prepare a lot of things. So they have to prepare the ingredient or the recipe to cook many dishes at the same time. So for the team who prepare the materials, the ingredients to cook 2 dishes at the same time will be the winner. Which one?